Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to try and sort the front wings out to meet the front bumper, which we talked about in the last episode. If I remember rightly, they curl in just here and there's a bit of a gap. I think that is because the brackets are either broke or the wing has like opened up slightly. So I'm going to see what I can do today. If it really comes to it, I'll just order some new brackets. First off, I need to remove the headlights out of the car, so I'm just going to get on with that quickly. I've got my little flat blade screwdriver. Da, 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 da. Just in case any of you are struggling when you're removing these, just get a little flat bladed screwdriver and pop it under the red and just lift it up. That shouldn't happen, but they're easy enough to slide back in. Oh, wrong way around. So now that's out. I'm just gonna probably get my hammer and dolly and just bend this back round slightly and see if we can close it up a bit. As you can see, the little lip just folds in here a bit, so I'm just going to get a pair of pliers and just bend that round slightly. So now that's done, what I'm going to do is push it in so it bends this little lip. Hopefully closes the gap up between these two, which should hold the bumper in place. Right, that's one side done, on to the next. Be right back, just going to go put my headlight in its tub. Just a small little tip, maybe get one of your old Chinese pots, just to put all your screws and nuts and bolts in and label them up. Just in case you are doing a slight tear down and leaving it for a few days, weeks. So as you can see, this one hasn't really got any like little kinks or anything in it, so I think this side just needs to close up a little bit. There we go. I'm just going to throw the bumper back on and see where we're sitting. Give me 1 second. So there we go, all clipped in. As you can see, finally line up. I'll have to show you a clip from the last video so you can see the difference. This side needs a little tweaking, but we'll get that with filler. As you can see down there, look, it's got a little bit poking out. So I'm going to get this filled up. As you've seen me do that 100 times, I don't think you're going to watch me do that. And then we're going to attack this big rusty patch this side. So we've finally finished our wing repair. The bumper fits lovely, clips in now nicely on both sides. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. See you later.